So hello my friends, welcome to Pinusuter Photography, and today I have decided to make one video on some pro tips regarding bird photography. And I think no one will tell you, no one will give you those pro tips. So in this channel you will get to know about the tips, about the gears, about bird photography and other photography also. And you will also get to see some vlogging in different places for birding or in general for travel. So please subscribe this my channel and continue to watch my channel. And today I will start some tips. So there are 12 tips. Whenever you are going for birding in an area, always do research on that area, on the forest that you will see, and that you will go for birding. Always do a research or workup, because by researching you will get to know about the habitat, about the species you will get there, and some idea about how to get them, how to take photographs of them. So this is the thing. So always do some research about the area. After you reach there, always try to get up early in the morning, because you know birds are mostly active after sunrise, 2 hours after sunrise or before sunset, almost 2 hours to 3 hours before sunset. So this will be helpful for you to get a glimpse of the bird or take beautiful photographs in beautiful light. When you go in the noon time or during the day, the light may not be adequate or may not be proper light for bird photography, because there will be harsh light and that will produce a contrasty shadow and highlighted areas, and that will not be good for bird photography. So now coming to the number 3 tip, that is the place where to find the bird. Usually some birds mm, live in the places where there are streams, near the streams, in the south. So they like cooler places. They like to stay around the streams, like grasses, like some flycatchers, like that. We will get some birds there. Fruiting trees. If you see fruits in the trees or some flowers, you can definitely find some birds there. So keep it in mind. You will find birds in fruiting trees or some flowering trees. So this is the thing. So this is again very helpful for finding birds. So this is number 3. Now coming to the number 4. Always keep your camera on. This thing usually some amateur photographers or novice photographers don't know, because there is some automatic power saving functions in the camera, most of the cameras, and that will automatically switch off the camera even if it is on mode. So if you are not using, it will be on mode, it will be staying in standby mode, but it will be ready whenever you just press the shutter button. So the thing is, you set all the settings like aperture, shutter speed prior to starting your bird photography. So that will be very helpful in the long run, and you will not miss any bird. So this is the thing. This is the number 4th tip. Now coming to the 5th tip. Always keep patience. You see one bird and then maybe it flies away, but keep patience. Some birds will come, definitely come near you, and you will get to see the bird and also you will photograph them, but you have to keep your patience. So this is the thing. If you keep your patience, then you will be rewarded. You will get more and more birds that will come towards you, and gradually they will be accustomed and they will come to you, nearer to you. So that is the thing. Always keep patience and wait for the bird. Now coming to the 6th tip. Always try to keep the sun behind you while photographing birds, and in that way you will get a good light. And sometimes it is oblique, sometimes frontal light, but it is rather side lighting is good. Frontal light is sometimes good, but it is not always good, recommended. To keep the sun behind you, then you will get good light for bird photography. So this is the thing. And don't photograph birds against the sun or highlighted areas, because it will produce underexposure. And if you give also, even if you give also exposure compensation, it will not be good. There will be a lot of noise. So try to keep the sun behind you while photographing birds. So this is the number 6th tip. Now coming to the number 7th. Always try to shoot the bird, photograph the bird from the eye level, and that will look very nice. Because if you get the bird photograph from above eye level or below eye level, that will not look nice. So always try to keep the bird at the bird's eye level. So you may have to lie down on the mud, maybe on the grassland, or maybe on the plain ground. So this is the thing, you have to be ready for lying down on the ground to get one bird photograph. So this is the thing, this is the number 7th. But now coming to the number 8th point. Do not chase bird. If you chase birds will be frightened. And I know the birds sometimes communicate, and all the birds will fly away very soon, and you will not get any bird. So this is very important. Do not disturb or chase the bird. Number 9 point is always try to hide yourself. Maybe behind the bush, or maybe in the shadow areas, you try to hide yourself. So the bird will not notice you, and you will get to see beautiful birds and also get time to photograph them. They will not feel disturbed. Now coming to the 10th point. When you have to go close to the bird, nearer to the bird, to get a better view or get a better photograph, always try to move diagonally. Do not go straight away to the bird. Bird will get frightened and it will fly away. So never go straight away towards the bird. Move diagonally. Now another tip is number 11th tip. That is, do not pixel peep in the LCD every time you take photograph, because if you pixel peep, then your battery will die very soon and you may miss one bird also. Now coming to the last point, last but not the least, dresses. Dresses is very important. You always try to dress with some muted colored clothing. Like me, you can see me dressed myself in muted color. Inside there is bright color though, but I have put on my green color jacket, light green color jacket, and there is also one cap. Cap will help you a lot because it will protect your eyes from the sunlight, and it will help you a lot during bird photography. So these are the pro tips no one will give you. So remember those tips and try those tips in the field, and I think you will get benefited from those tips. If you like my tips, like my video, then please press the like button. And if you want to see this type of video or like blogging, some tips, gear reviews, then please subscribe my channel. This is free, so don't worry, please subscribe my channel and you will get all the new videos whenever I post them in YouTube. And another thing I want to tell you that YouTube is soon introducing one handle for everyone or every channel. I've already chosen my handle. My handle will be at the rate of Venus Water Photography. So if you want to search my videos in YouTube or Google search, then you can just type at the rate of Venus Water Photography and you will get to see my channel. So that's all for today. Thank you. Enjoy your birding and bird photography. Thank you.